Welcome to our LiLi cooking channel, where culinary delights come to life. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey through a world of flavors, techniques, and irresistible recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Elevate your comfort food game with our ultimate pot roast recipe. This classic dish features a tender and succulent beef chuck roast, slow cooked to perfection with a medley of aromatic vegetables, herbs, and flavorful broth. With its melt-in-your-mouth texture and rich flavors, this pot roast is the epitome of comfort and warmth. Prepare to indulge in a satisfying and hearty meal that will leave your taste buds longing for more. Certainly. Here's a recipe for ultimate pot roast. Ingredients: 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms, beef chuck roast. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 onion, chopped. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 4 carrots, peeled and chopped. 4 celery stalks, chopped. 1 pound, 450 grams, baby potatoes, halved. 2 cups beef broth. 1 cup red wine, optional. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 2 sprigs fresh rosemary. 2 sprigs fresh thyme. 2 bay leaves. Instructions: preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Season the beef chuck roast generously with salt and pepper on all sides. Heat vegetable oil in a large oven-safe pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the roast and sear it on all sides until browned. Remove the roast from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add the chopped onion, minced garlic, carrots, and celery. Sauté the vegetables for about 5 minutes, until they start to soften. Stir in the tomato paste and cook for an additional minute to release its flavors. Add the beef broth and red wine, if using, to the pot, scraping the bottom to deglaze and release any browned bits. Return the seared roast to the pot, along with the halved baby potatoes, rosemary sprigs, thyme sprigs, and bay leaves. The liquid should come about halfway up the sides of the roast. If needed, add more broth or water. Cover the pot with a lid and transfer it to the preheated oven. Allow the roast to cook for approximately 3 to 4 hours, or until the meat is fork tender. Once the roast is done, remove it from the pot and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve the sliced pot roast with the cooked vegetables and a ladle of the flavorful cooking liquid. This ultimate pot roast recipe yields a tender and succulent beef roast infused with rich flavors from the aromatic vegetables, herbs, and broth. The slow cooking process in the oven ensures a melt-in-your-mouth texture and a deeply satisfying meal. Pair it with your favorite sides such as mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or crusty bread for a complete and comforting dinner.